Super quick and simple eggless pancakes. Hello everyone. These pancakes are so good. They're made with a minimal amount of ingredients and you don't need eggs. They're super fast to prepare and they don't cost much to make. Just use 5 easy at-home ingredients and you have a tasty breakfast in about 15 minutes. So you start by sifting the dry ingredients. Your flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Now you want to sift these so your pancakes don't come out lumpy. That's the trick, is sifting your dry ingredients before you make your pancakes. So after you sift everything, you're going to add the milk, and when you start to mix it and stir it with a whisk, just make sure you incorporate everything, but don't make them tough. Don't over mix the batter. Now here goes the milk. I have to be quiet because this is great. That looks so wholesome. I love it. So what you do is you just mix it like I said before and just have it all incorporate. And it's so fast to make. Now what I do is, see how there's an edge around that bowl? You can use, if you have a bowl like that, you can use that to pour into your pan to cook your pancakes. But I like to pour mine into a large measuring cup. This one happens to be a 4 cup because it has a spout. And see how easy it pours right into the pan? Now you spread it around, and first you melt a 1/4 teaspoon of butter in the pan prior to cooking each pancake, but you can use non-stick cooking spray. When the batter begins to bubble a little, they are ready to turn over. Cook 1 to 2 minutes per side of pancake to reach a beautiful golden color. It's easy to burn pancakes, so start at medium-low heat, and if they are taking too long to reach the bubbling stage, turn it up just a little at a time until you find that perfect temperature. This recipe makes about 4 generous 5-inch pancakes, but if they're smaller, you can make about 6 to 8 depending on how much batter you use. These are delicious. The recipe is in the description box below. Please try them out. Give them a thumbs up if you like it, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more recipes as I post them every week. Cheerful cooking to you, and enjoy.